Hi, my name is Rebecca Osorio, and I'm going to be showing you how to solve this problem. This is question number 6, and it reads, which equation represents a line that is parallel to the line y equals 3 minus 2x and y equals negative 2x minus 3. Now basically what I did here is that I rewrote it in the slope-intercept form, which would be y equals mx plus b. So basically, what I changed is basically the first one. The second one's already in slope-intercept form. So here you see I put the slope first and then the y-intercept last. So I just moved it over, brought the negative sign with me. So then this one would read y equals negative 2x plus 3. Now basically what I did is I I drew these equations on the graph here just to further assist, so we can see that these lines are actually parallel to each other. So this would be the first line and this is the second line, so you see that they don't cross in any. Now to know if the equation represents a line that's parallel, it would have to have the same slope. As you can see, the first and second line have the same slope, which is negative 2. So the equation that we have to find, which I didn't write here, but it was a multiple choice question and I chose one of the equations. But here basically what the equation would have to read is y equals negative 2x plus any slope intercept, because it doesn't matter in a parallel what the slope intercept is. What matters is that if you want them to be parallel, they have to have the same slope. So basically here I chose one of the multiple choice the choices, and I wrote it out, and as you can see, it's not in slope intercept form, so I converted it to slope intercept form. And what I did was had to get y by itself, so I canceled out the x by subtracting it, 4x, and then what you do to one side you do to the other. So on the other side I did 5 minus 4x plus 4x, I'm sorry, and I got 2y equals 4x negative 4x plus 5. And then I still don't have the y by itself, so I divided it by 2 and canceled out the 2's. And what you do to one side you do to the other, so you divide the 4x by 2 and the 5 by 2. So here I brought it over here, and what you end up with is negative 2x plus 5 over 2. As you can see, it's the same slope as the first two lines, which means that this line is parallel to the first two lines. So here I drew the third line, which we'll call it here. It's pretty close. I tried to make it as visible as possible. But this graph is just to show you that they're all parallel and they do not intersect. And that is the answer to the problem. The equation would be 4x plus 2y equals 5. Right here.